Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ninda Indriani Nursolihah. I'm from Universitas Negeri Semarang or UNES. I'm from the Faculty of Economics and Business, Economics Education Study Program. On this session, I will invite all my friends to explore the very interesting phenomena. What is it? The interesting phenomena is to the extent will the strengthening of the US dollar have an impact. Come on, well along so we can explore the phenomena together. The strengthening of the US dollar has created complex turmoil in three different regions. 1. Asia, 2. Europe, 3. South America. In Asia, countries that depend heavily on exports such as China and Japan are feeling significant pressure. A stronger dollar makes their goods more expensive for international markets, reducing their competitiveness and affecting economic growth. Asia. The strengthening of the US dollar has a broad impact in the Asia region, affecting various economic sectors and daily life. On the one hand, a strengthening US dollar could increase the purchase power of ASEAN countries towards import from the United States, allowing greater access to goods and high technology produced there. However, on the other hand, this could be a burden for ASEAN countries that have debts denominated in US dollars. A stronger dollar can make debt burdens heavier because the value of the local currency declines, requiring more local money to pay the same debt in US dollar. Apart from that, the ASEAN export sector could also be affected, although a strengthening dollar can make ASEAN export products more competitive on the global market. It can also make the price of their products more expensive for countries that buy them in other currencies. Apart from the economic impact, the strengthening of the US dollar can also affect financial stability and investment in Asia. Exchange rate fluctuations can cause uncertainty in financial markets, affecting investment flows and trading activities in the region. For individuals, especially those whose local currencies are depreciating against the US dollar, a stronger dollar could make the cost of living higher, price of important goods or products linked to the US dollar may rise, reducing the purchasing power of the general public. Of course, the strengthening of the US dollar has a complex and diverse impact in Asia, which requires attention from governments, business people, and society to manage risk and adjust economic policies to maintain region economic stability. Europe. A strengthening US dollar could have a number of significant impacts in Europe. First of all, exporters in European countries may face obstacles in selling their products to the US market because the price of their goods become more expensive for us consumers due to the higher exchange rate. This can reduce the competitiveness of European products in international markets. On the other hand, the strengthening of the US dollar could provide benefits for the tourist sector in several European countries. An increase the value of the US dollar may make travel to Europe more expensive for US tourists, but in turn may encourage tourists from Europe to visit the United States due to more affordable travel costs. Apart from that, the impact of the strengthening of the US dollar can also be felt in financial markets in Europe. A higher exchange rate can affect foreign investment in European countries, as it can be a determining factor for foreign investors in assessing the profitability of their investment. However, not all of the impacts of the strengthening US dollar in Europe are negative. Some European countries, especially those with debt denominated in US dollar, may benefit as their debt servicing costs may be lower. Overall, a strengthening US dollar has complex effect and could have varying impact on various sectors in Europe. South America. The strengthening of the US dollar in Latin America has been a topic that has received great attention in recent times. A strong dollar has had a mixed impact in the region, with some aspects significantly affecting various economic sectors and society as a whole. One of the main impacts of the strengthening US dollar is on export and imports. Most countries in South America depend on international trade, and when the value of the dollar rises, this makes goods from those countries more expensive for other countries to purchase. Although this is beneficial for imports, as the cost of import goods become cheaper, exporters from Latin America may face difficulties as the price of their goods become higher from foreign markets. In the financial sector, the strengthening of the US dollar can also affect the foreign debt of countries in South America. Many countries in the region have used US dollars to denominate debt, and with a strengthening dollar, the cost of repaying that debt could become higher. This could put pressure on this country's finance and disrupt their economic stability. Of the US dollar also has an impact on tourists in Latin and South America. When the value of the dollar is, travel to these countries becomes more expensive for foreign tourists, possibly reducing the number of tourists visiting. This could have an impact on the tourist industry, which is often one of the main contributors to economic growth in several countries in the America Latin. However, there are also some benefits from a stronger US dollar. For example, it could make foreign investment more attractive for countries in Latin America because the cost of investing in dollars will be lower for a foreign investor. Additionally, dollar strength can also help control inflation in some cases by making imports cheaper. Overall, the impact of a strengthening US dollar in Latin America is a complex phenomenon with varying effects depending on each country's economic and financial sectors. However, it is important to note that in some situations, a strengthening US dollar could be a major challenge for countries in the region seeking long-term economic stability. The conclusion of this material is strengthening the US dollar refers to a situation where the US dollar exchange rate strengthens against their currencies. This can be caused by various factors, including the strong condition of the US economy, higher interest rates compared to other countries, investor confidence in the US economy, and political and geopolitical factors. The strengthening of the US dollar has complex effects. On the one hand, this could make important goods cheaper for us consumers due to the dollar's stronger purchasing power. However, it could be an obstacle for a US exporter because their product become more expensive for consumers outside the US. This can also affect global financial markets and other currency exchange rates. The strengthening of the US dollar is an important phenomenon in the global economy because the US dollar is the world's reserve currency, and change in its value can have a significant impact on international trade and the economics of other countries. So, how is our adventure going this time? It's exciting, right? by understanding the dynamics of the strengthening of the US dollar in the different regions. We hope that this learning video can provide valuable insight for all of us in facing the challenge of the ever-growing global economy. Thank you for accompanying me in this exploration. See you on the next adventure. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.